Okay guys, so today the lesson is going to be on percent composition. And in order to figure out percent composition, we first have to understand how to find a percent of anything. So whenever we look at percent, we're looking at a part divided by the whole times 100%. Now this could be something as simple as looking at the percent of blue shirts worn at school on any given day, or it could be related to percent composition by mass for an atom in a compound. Well, we're looking at it as in that latter instance. All right. So if we have a compound like carbon dioxide, we want to know how much percent this compound carbon dioxide is made by the mass of oxygen. Now, so the actual definition of percent composition, the percent by mass of each element in the compound, and we're going to look at an easy one, the percent of oxygen in H2O. All right, so we're going to set up our equation. We need the total mass. So here's our total, which is going to be the molar mass of the compound. And we're going to find the percent oxygen. So the part in this case is going to be oxygen. The whole is going to be H2O. And we're going to multiply by 100%. So here the mass of oxygen is 16 grams. The total mass of H2O is 18 grams. We divide those two numbers, multiply by 100%, and we get somewhere around 89% oxygen. Since we're using only whole numbers, you only have to express these percent compositions to whole numbers. All right, so in this case it would be 89% oxygen. Now let's look at the percent composition of iron in iron 3 oxide. Well, first off, in order to do this, we need to write the correct formula for iron 3 oxide. We know that iron 3 is going to be Fe plus 3. Oxide is minus 2. Our least common multiple is 6. 3 times what gives us 6? Well, that's 2, so we need 2 irons. 2 times what gives us 6? That's 3, so we need 3 oxygens. Our next step is to find the molar mass of Fe2O3. And the molar mass of iron is 55.85 grams, so that's going to round up to 56. So we're going to have iron 3 times 56, which equals 168. And oxygen, oops, I'm sorry, this is 2 times 56, which is going to be equal to 112. And oxygen is 3 times 16, which is equal to 48. So our total molar mass for Fe2O3 is 160 grams per mole. So we have our part divided by the whole, which is equal to 112 divided by 160. In your notes, you're going to calculate that percentage. Okay, so please have the examples and the percentage for Fe2O3 or the iron in Fe2O3 tomorrow in class.